Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new background. Hold for applause. Very exciting. And we're going to do a look today based on the color palette of the Sour album cover from Olivia Rodrigo. This is an album I've had on repeat recently, and I know I'm not alone, so hopefully you guys like this look. I use a lot of purples because the background of her album is purple, a little punch of yellow for that smiley face sticker, and a little pink to represent the top she's wearing. If you want to see how to get this Sour inspired look, then keep on watching. Hey everybody. Okay, look how cute. My new little backdrop. Hello. I think I like what's on it, but you know, we're still kind of tinkering with the layout and stuff. But today we are doing a look inspired by an album that I have on repeat, and I believe a lot of other people have on repeat too. I'm going to do a look inspired by the Sour album cover. So I'm gonna do like a purple eye with some like pops of colors, kind of like the stickers she's got going on. Let's get into it. This is from Beauty Creations. This is their purple cream. I think I'm gonna use this like flat top brush and then map out where I want this color and then go from there. That's placement, and then let us buff out the edges before we add on some shadow. I'm questioning everything. Okay, I think I'm just gonna roll with it and we'll see how this turns out. I'm going to pack on the shade I Got Bangs from the Bottle Blonde palette on the outermost bit of this eye situation. And then on the inner bit. Okay, I look like the Cheshire Cat, but we're gonna not cry and we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna take the lighter purple shade, Purple Shampoo from the palette, on a fluffy brush and just kind of go above everything. Disregarding the sides, I think we're on the right track. They use that like yellow smiley face sticker for a lot of promo stuff, and I think I'm gonna take a yellow eyeshadow right in my corner right here. That's just like a fun little pop. I think I'm gonna put the shade Polished from this Trixie Cosmetics palette on the inside. Okay, I cut the camera because I needed to fix the ends. If it's a little crusty, I wiped off and kind of like belittled. This was looking a little wild, but we're okay now. We're good to go. We are back at it. We're going to take the same brush we did for the yellow because it's kind of looking like mac and cheese, and I'm going to dampen it with a spray and then go in with this sparkly yellow shade. Yeah, okay, this is much better. See how that's like actually yellow? It was just looking too mac and cheese for me. I want to do, since she's wearing like a light pink top, I mean, we're not going light here. We're a little dramatic. So I'm gonna do the shade Me Day from the Bottle Blonde palette under my eye. Okay, I think this is something that like once I put my lashes on, I'm not gonna hate as much. It's just really bold. And it is what I thought in my head. I guess it's just like looking a little whack. I'm gonna go do my brows and my lashes. Then we'll come back and we'll do the rest of the face and hope I won't be hating this. Okay, you guys, I don't hate it like I thought I did. We have our lashes on. I think it looks a lot better with the lashes. I don't know. I kind of tried to fix it up a little bit. I think it's fun. I am now starting to think that people aren't gonna get the reference, but it's not like a direct look, you know, I'm not copying her look. Obviously her look's more minimal, and this is just like using colors that I saw from the album. So that's me explaining because I'm nervous. Let's bronze. My dog is chewing her stick, if you can hear it. As far as blush goes, I feel like this is the perfect opportunity to use my purple blush. So I'm gonna use the Back to the Fuchsia palette from Trixie Cosmetics. I think I'm gonna send this dog downstairs. I have sent my dog out of the room because she was chewing her stick very loudly. But like I said, I'm going to be using the Back to the Fuchsia blush, and I'm gonna start with Moon Boots, which is the lighter of the two shades. And then we'll use the shade Cyber Babe. I actually super love this blush palette. We need a highlight. Pink tone of the Charlotte Tilbury palette. Let's do a lip color. I'm gonna use the Golden Beach liner from the Malibu Barbie Colourpop collection. Not gonna overline today. I'm gonna go in with the Trixie Cosmetics lipstick in Eden, which is this really nice neutral shade. The way that matches the lip liner better than the lipstick that came with it. Wild. Okay, I'm going to get dressed and maybe fix up my hair and do a little something different, and then I will be right back. And here is the final look. It is dramatic, fun, with sweet colors, just like the album. It was a journey to get here, but I'm actually pretty happy with the results. The yellow actually is really fun and different. I love, love, love this album. If you like this idea of making looks based off music or things like that, let me know down in the comments below if this is something you'd like to see more of. Shout out to my beautiful new background. I'm so happy with it. I will be adding some pretty exciting pieces to it soon, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of that. Thank you guys so much for being here as always. I appreciate every single one of you. If you liked this look, please give this video a thumbs up. And that is all I got for today. So I will see you guys next week. Bye!